Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm, yeah. Hey, yeah. You know we out here, man. Just trying to get this money, trying to get this paper, trying to get that cheddar. It's whatever. Had to get up off my ass, I had to get that cheddar, yeah. Niggas talking all that shit, it just be like whatever, yeah. I was off talking to your bitch and now she thinks she clever, yeah. Had to drop a couple of niggas, now I'm living better, ayy. On the highway I be swerving, yeah. Hit the stove, yeah. Now I'm splurging, niggas just be lurking, ayy. But I'm working, I'm focused on the profit, yeah. Get up my earnings, yeah. Had to cut a couple niggas off cause they was acting fake. I can see your true colors, you can't hide behind that paint. Tryna stab me in my back, yeah. You can't even cane. I just had to get my racks, yeah. I'm stretching out they length, cause we outside, yeah. Niggas tripping on they foes, we pulling out fives, yeah. Couple shooters got my back, them the real guys, yeah. Don't give a fuck about nothing else, just want the real prize, yeah. Had to get my shit together, had to realize, yeah. Had to check some of my niggas, some were telling lies, yeah. I be cooking up these niggas, yeah, they small fries, yeah. Showing me some damn respect, it's about time, yeah. Ay, cause we outside, yeah. Yeah, we aiming for your head, yeah, we outside, yeah. Yeah, we leave them niggas dead, yeah, we outside, yeah. Leave them niggas dead, can hang on our side, yeah.